prepare the ingredients. 1. Cut the rice vermicelli into 10-centimeter pieces and soak in water until soft. 2. Drain and set aside. 3. Slice the shallots and cut the cabbage into bite-sized pieces. 4. Slice the mushrooms, chop the shrimp, and cut the pork into strips. 5. In a wok, heat oil and stir-fry cabbage. Set aside. 6. Heat more oil and cook the shallots until fragrant. 7. Add the shrimp, mushrooms, and pork and stir fry. 8. Season with sugar, salt, pepper, and soy sauce. 9. Pour in rice, wine, and mushroom soaking water. Cook for 3 minutes until flavorful. 10. Add the rice, vermicelli, and cabbage to the wok and stir well. 11. Cover and steam over low heat for 3 to 5 minutes. 12. Once cooked through, serve and enjoy. Hey, now it's your turn to cook.